Okay, morning or good afternoon. Okay, so our topic for today is governance and alliances. Okay, so this is one of the topic for the global interstate system. Okay, so the content of our course is the global interstate system, the United Nations Organization, and the Philippines in the United Nations. So, ito yung tinatawag nating political concept ng globalization. Okay? Then next. So, this is the global interstate system. So, what is the definition of the interstate system? So, the network of relationships, interactions, and frameworks governing how nations engage with each other across political, economic, security dimensions. So, pag sinabing interstate system, this is a relation between two or more states, no? Relationship between small states and big states, okay? Especially the superpower states, no? So, ano yung historical development ng mga states na ito? So, the historical development is the evolution from Westphalian sovereignty principles to modern international governance structures shaped by major conflicts and cooperation initiatives throughout the history. So, if you remember, nagkaroon tayo ng two world wars. So, ito ay may impact para magkaroon ng tinatawag nating interstate relations, no, in order to avoid the future wars, di ba? So what are the key components? The key components encompasses diplomatic relations. So kailangan meron tayong ugnayang panlabas, no? International law, trade agreements, security arrangements, and multilateral institutions that facilitate cross-border cooperation, conflict resolution. So, for example, ito yung nangyayari sa West Philippine Sea, di ba? So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag natin coordination with other states in order to resolve the crisis in other states, right? And then, yung alliances naman, ito naman yung pagbuo ng organizations in order na magkaroon ng tinatawag na harmonious relationship with other states. So what are the types of alliances? We have political, economic, cultural, and military alliances, no? Most likely, pag sinabing alliances, military yan. Okay? Kasama na rin yung cultural, actually the exchange of cultures between the two or more states, no? Katulad ng Philippines and Taiwan, we have the exchanging cultures, no? Okay? Form the major categories, each serving different strategic purposes. Okay? So, ano yung historical significance? Ito ay matagal nang ginagawa, no? Ng mga estado, no? Then, the contemporary alliance systems. So, katulad ng NATO, ASEAN, and other modern alliances demonstrate evolving international cooperations. Okay? So, yan. Next. So, ito naman yung framework ng interstate system. So, one is the global interstate system. Yan yung pangmalawakan, no? Concept of alliances, yung mga alyansa lang, no? Yung mga regional alliances, no? So, ang United Nations naman, this is also a part of interstate system. So, what is the UN membership structure? So, nakalagay dito comprising 193 member states. Pero ito ay more than 200 states na ito, no? Which represents the General Assembly and Security Council, includes the permanent and 10 rotating members. So, Ah, alam natin ang United Nations malaking tulong yan when it comes to the